Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Galaxy F14, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on your device. To do it, just open the Play Store and find here Cube Call Recorder, Cube ACR application. I will uninstall it to show you the full process of setting up this app. So just install it and open. This is the best call recording app I have tested because you can use all features or all important features of this application for free, completely for free, and you don't need to pay. Even if you want to pay for coffee to developers, you can pay, but you don't need to pay to use it. So click grant permissions while using the app, allow. Then choose enable app connector, find here installed apps, then choose Cube ACR app connector and click enable. Click allow, wait a while, click OK, go it, allow, no thanks, OK, go it. Here, as you can see, we have paid features we can get if we will pay. So cloud backup, we don't need this feature. We can synchronize our recordings with our Telegram, for example, with our Google Cloud or other applications. Upload with PIN, so we don't need this feature because we have the Samsung device with the Nox folder, instant post call actions, so we don't need install post call actions. So why? It will reduce our phone performance, and no ads and more. So we have no ads in this app. We have really simple interface here, so I don't know why we need to pay for removing ads. And as you can see here, we have simple interface. Here you will see all your records when one of the calls will be recorded. So all your calls will be automatically recorded, but you need to know that if you have no root access on your device, this app will be record calls only using your microphone on this side of your device. So if you want to record your voice and both with voice of your with your communication partner, you need to enable allowed mode, external speaker mode when calling. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.